Good morning, everyone. I hope we are fine. And I'd like to officially welcome you to the Trading with Mello group. And based off of your questions, based off of the kind of DMs I'm receiving, I decided to make this specific video. So this video is going to be an introduction to Forex trading. So when we say Forex, what do we mean? Forex stands for foreign exchange. Forex. Foreign exchange. So what do we mean by foreign exchange? Any particular asset which is listed on the foreign exchange market is considered a forex asset. But the classic definition of forex limits it to currencies. By currencies, I mean, let's just say I think most of us are Ghanaians, so the Ghana cedi traded against the USD. That is GHS USD or USD to Ghana cedis. I know most when we hear that the dollar is at 14 and stuff like that, it means that when we say the dollar is at 14, this is how it should be listed on the forex market. So we have so when we see something like this, which is USD GHS, this just means that we need, let's say this rate is at 14. It means we need 14 of the second currency to get one of this. So that is just the basic definition of the price code for a forex pair. But now let's talk about what we are doing in forex. So as forex traders or aspiring forex traders, we know that there are only two things we can actually do in the market. We can either buy or sell. So when we buy an asset, we hope to buy the asset at a low price. Let's say if I am buying something from any of you, my aim is to try reduce the price to as low as possible so that when the price goes up in the near future, I can make profit. So let's say you're selling something to me at 10 TDs. I'd prefer to buy it at 5, and anytime the price gets to, let's say, 7 or 8, I can actually sell it and then make my profit. The forex market has two things we can do. We can either buy or sell. So we can buy at a lower price and then sell at a higher price, or sell it at a higher price to somebody who's willing to buy it at a lower price. You get? So regardless, either you are selling or buying, you make profits. So you can either buy or sell in the forex market. So let's just say you bought something down here, and then the price moves all the way up here. You have made a profit. If you sell something from up here and then the price comes all the way down here, you have still made a profit. So let me still use 8 and 5 for references. So let's just say we're buying this at 5. And then the price goes to 8. So we decide to sell it there. We have a dividend, a difference of 3. So we have actually made profit. So let's just say now from here, 8, we sell it at 8, and then we take our profits when the price are low like this at 5. So that is literally what we are doing in the foreign exchange market. We are buying or selling assets that are listed on this foreign exchange market. So there are 4 classes of assets that can be listed. We have commodities, we have currency pairs, we have bonds, and then also stocks, which are, some people call one of them equities. So there are 4 asset classes, but what you mostly focus on is currency pairs and commodities. Sometimes indices are also listed in this particular market, but then what we are going to be trading, I'm going to teach you how to literally trade anything, so you decide what would be comfortable for you. But then The main goal is to understand what we're doing here. We are buying or selling an asset in hopes of making money. And the forex market is quite different from any other market because this market is highly regulated. It's not a gamble. You can control your risk. So any of you that is coming in here thinking, oh, let's say if I just place one trade, my entire deposit will burn or something of that sort. No, that's not how it is. You can actually regulate how much it is you want to win per trade, or how much it is if you are actually losing that trade you would want to lose per trade. And it's actually a very profitable venture if you can manage your risk properly, because most of us are here to make profits. That's the aim of the market, for you to make profit as a trader. So now the second question I am getting a lot is, how much do I need to start? With how much you need to start, that is a very personal choice. Most brokers have a limited fixed deposit where you can actually, like, they have the minimum deposit, which is depends on each broker. By a broker, I mean the person who links you to the market, the company in this state, because most brokers are online. So the broker is going to be your intermediary, the middleman between you and the marketplace. And some of them have different deposits. So the broker I would recommend like this has a minimum deposit of 1 USD. You can deposit up to 10 as minimum depending on the payment method that you choose. They are trying their best to integrate mobile money payments, but for now that should not hinder you. If you actually want to deposit, there's no problem. You can use crypto and also the card if you have a bank card. But then I would not advise that you start with live money right immediately unless you are confident you know what you're doing. There's something we call demo trading. So we've talked about the broker. Now let's talk about demo trading. So demo trading is literally like a market that allows you to, we give you all the real market conditions, just that you're actually not trading with real money. You're trading with dummy money. It's like fake money, you get. So if you can actually see that, oh, okay, if I place a trade this way, I make profits, and if I do this, I make losses. This is like your practice field. This is like your rubber bullets area, you get. So you can actually feel free, practice whatever it is you'll be learning from here on demo. And if you feel like you are ready to start making money, you can go live. So live is the dummy account. Demo is the dummy account, which is like the rubber bullet area, and then by live we mean like live bullets area, you get. I hope you understand the whole bullet connotation. But yes, so we've talked about what forex is, what we are doing as traders. We've talked about what a broker is. We've talked about what demo trading is. So I don't want to make this video quite long. I just want to explain to you what we'll be doing in these particular markets as forex traders.